welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's vlog. So you guys, I just finished filming three videos. I'm so proud. Funny enough, DK never stressed me. You guys, I'm so happy. So he was sleeping when I was at the middle of the first one. When I was in the middle of the first one, he was sleeping, then woke up. Funny enough, he did not disturb me. I just kept something, the music. I was just playing music for him, and he allowed me. So I just finished filming and I decided to do this intro, and also I wanted to give you guys my review on this candle, the one I showed you guys in my last vlog. Basically it's vanilla distilled fragrance, and you guys, this smells so good. It smells so good, you guys, and I'm actually going to get it again once this one is finished or almost finished. It smells so good, guys. Actually more potent than the last scented candle that I got. So yeah, I just want to show you guys. I'm already burning it. I used to do my video. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm just going to arrange my room and then go ahead to make dinner, because it's already, first of all I need to upload the vlog. I have a lot to do. Jesus. Okay. I'm gonna notice. I'm not ready to clean my makeup yet. Guys.
The next day.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
Good afternoon. I just finished cooking another recipe for our how to make some meals videos. So in case you have not seen the video, please go check it out. It's supposed to be up before this one. So yeah, I got a package today. This is supposed to be from, oh, hold on please. Let me supposed to be from my hand. Sarah. Sarah Kiola. One thing I used to call this, I used to murder this name, but let me not call the name actually. Let me not pronounce the name. So I used to, mention it as, so this is her, what's the name? Eyelash and lip gloss line that launched last year. So I've always wanted to get it, just that I've not been around. You guys know that I went to school. Oh my god. So it came in this package. I say hi. Hi guys. Hey. So I just delivered it today. I ordered one lip gloss and one lashes. So I've actually ordered more. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Wow, this is actually very big. Like, when you see it in a picture, you might think that it's not as big as you think. Can't wait to try this. Okay. Oh my god. This smells really good. Wait first. I know I'm not officially trying it, but let's just see. Okay. First of all, I love this packaging. Oh my god. Picture does not even do justice. To be sincere with you guys. Can you see that? Smells really good. Guys, please. Then this is the lashes. I don't know, I've forgotten the name of the one I got, but this has different names for the type of lashes that you get. So yeah, that's it. It also came with a card. And says thank you. We hope you love your purchase. Please tag us in your beautiful pictures. Oh, sorry, beautiful photos. So yeah, that's it, guys.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So today is the 28th of May. I just wanted to quickly show you guys what they did here. So when I hung this thing for the first time, I hung it here and it's way too high. When I sit down to do my makeup or my skincare, I don't used to see myself very well in the mirror, so I had to bring it down here. But whenever I'm filming, it's like if I keep it here whenever I'm filming, you guys are going to be seeing my camera and everything. So I decided to just leave this nail here, so whenever I'm filming a sit down video, I can just hang it here so that not be reflecting. Then I decided to hang this one too because DK has been disturbing this mirror so it doesn't fall. Anyways, you guys, we are going out today. We could not go out yesterday because I know that everywhere will be crowded, so we're just going out for 30 minutes. DK will have small fun and we'll come back. So this is what I'm wearing. See, No, let me wear my shoe. Look like I'm going to church, but I could not find anything. So I'm wearing this dress that I wore for our 1 year photo shoot, 1 year old because I old photo shoot. This is what Mr. Man is wearing. I thought let them see you. Say hi. See your face. Anyways, yeah, I'll go ahead to book our boat ride because we're not driving today. So yeah. Say hi. Say hi.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you.